Hey there, Silvia here with the Salsa with Silvia YouTube channel. If you're new here, we teach you how to dance salsa on one, sometimes bachata, so please hit that subscribe button to get all of our videos. In today's lesson, we're gonna go back to footwork. I know you may not like it, but it's a good thing to practice now while you're staying at home, and I guarantee you it's gonna make you a better dancer out there on the social dance floor. One of the biggest challenges is for you to be able to follow the teacher's call and be able to react immediately. All right, without further ado, let's get to dancing. Let's start with the very basic 5, 6, 7, left forward, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. For followers, right back, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Important things when you're doing all of your moves in salsa. Knees have to be slightly bent. This will allow more movement in the hips. And please try to step on every count. So every time you hear me say a number, you should be making a step. The other important rule in salsa, move the hips, stay grounded, and stay on the balls of your feet. Another beginner level step, side step. Lead part, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Followers part, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. You're not seeing me really lift that foot off the ground, so I'm not doing this, right? This would be funny, but I'm still slightly lifting my foot off the ground so that I can acknowledge that I'm making a step. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Followers part, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. The next step, Susie Q for the lead, starting with the left, crossing over the right, and then pivot, pivot, cross over the right, pivot, pivot. So we have 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Notice that my feet are always at least parallel to each other. So I'm not doing this. This looks funny, right? As dancers, we always want to keep our feet parallel or in this position. Okay, so Susie Q for the follower with the right foot. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So the motion is a little bit like you want to sit in a chair. So cross, sit, stand up. Cross, sit, stand up. That's your Susie Q. And here, you're just swiveling on the balls of your feet, like that. Next, we have right turn for the lead. 5, 6, 7. Forward, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. With the basic, 1, 2, 3, 5. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. For the follow, basic 1, 2, 3. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Right turn. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. If you need a further breakdown, please refer to previous videos in which we explain these moves in details. I'll put some links below. Next step, we have broken left turn. For the lead, 1, 2, 3, 5. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Basic step, 5, 6 step. For the follow, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Here we go. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. When the teachers are calling moves in the class, they're always doing that on the count of 5, 6, 7. So you only have these 3 counts for you to get ready and do the next move. The next step we're gonna practice in our drills is slide. So here we go. For the lead, step on the left, push to the back. 2, 3, step on the right, push to the front. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. For the follow, step on the right, push to the front. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. All right, so let's do a little drill. When I call the move on 5, 6, 7, you're gonna be ready to do that move on 1, 2, 3. Here we go, drill for the leads. 5, 6, 7. 1, basic step. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, side step. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, basic step. 1, 2, 3, right turn. 1, 2, 3, 5, 2 right turns. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, side step. 1, 2, 3, Susie Q. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, slide. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Basic. 5, 6, 7. Basic step. Side step. Basic step. Right turn. Basic. Side step. Basic. Susie Q. I'm gonna throw another step. Right turn. 3 right turns in a row. Basic step. Slide. Basic. All right, here's that new step. Let's see if you can catch it. It's called double Susie. Basic. Side step. Basic. Broken left. Let's do a drill for the followers. 5, 6, 7, basic step. 2, 3, side step. 1, 2, 3, basic step. Right turn. And 1, 6, 7, basic. Slide. 1, 2, 3, 6, basic. 1, 2, 3, Susie Q. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, basic step. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 2 right turns. 7, 1, 5, 6, 7. All right, let's try it with music. Basic. Side step. Basic. Broken left. Basic. Susie Q. Basic. Slide. Basic. 3 right turns. 1, 2, 3. Basic. Side step. Let's look at that double Susie. 1 and 2, Susie Q. 1 and 2, Susie Q. 1 and 2. Basic. Side step. that's it. Thank you guys so much again for watching. I hope you liked that footwork drill video. So if you did, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. That means a lot. Again, thank you. I'll see you next time.